This 2022 Forest River Vengeance Rogue Armored 383 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29588 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This new Forest River is 45 feet 1 inch in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 8, LP detector, stove top burner, refrigerator, water heater, leveling jacks, external shower, CO detector, oven, air conditioning, smoke detector, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, loft, outdoor entertainment, patio deck, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Vengeance Rogue Armored 383 is 13,519 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.